Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix SignalRGB not working on your PC or laptop. Let's begin. First, I want you to download the official application. You can go on this website, signalrgb.com, and it's actually and completely free. So once you have this on your PC downloaded, open it up, and I want you to proceed and click on settings right over here. Now, this is the only setting that is very crucial. Select this automatically close conflicting programs. So make sure this is enabled. It shows in here when this is enabled, Signal RGB will attempt to automatically close all conflicting programs while it's running. So you will notice if you have other, for example, SteelSeries, Razer, and other RGB platforms and softwares out there, it will actually close them, anything that is conflicting within your PC. So once done, you can now close this settings. You can click on devices and make sure that that all of the devices you have on your PC that has RGB enabled is actually listed in here. If not, either it's not supported or you can easily go over here and click on it to request to be added in their platform. And that's basically it. And lastly, if you're still having some issues with Signal RGB, you can easily run this as the admin. So for example, you can go to the start menu, Signal RGB, right click on it and run as the admin. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.